What's up YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be getting into how I refresh my day 5 wash and go using DIY flaxseed gel. So if you're interested, just stay tuned. So as you guys can see, my problem areas are my bottom and my right side. My left side isn't too bad, so I'm actually going to just place this in a ponytail because I don't want to refresh it if it doesn't need it. So I'm going to start in this section back here. I'm going to get my DIY flaxseed gel. And if you guys want a tutorial, just leave me a message in the comment down below. I actually already recorded one, so I can post it if you guys would like. So now I'm just going to take a handful of my flaxseed gel, rub it around my hands, and then just rub it in my hair. So you guys, I am absolutely in love with this flaxseed gel. For the longest time, I wouldn't refresh my hair. I would always just wash my hair over because I hated putting additional product on my hair because I felt like I was causing breakage and product overload. But with this, it glides through your hair, it doesn't cause breakage, and it gives you extreme moisture and hold. So it makes your curls perfect, and I don't know, I just love using this as a refresher. I also wanted to mention that it's water-based, chemical-free, and it also has great hair growth benefits. So if you guys are looking for a really good refresher and you want to look for something more natural, then try DIY flaxseed gel because let me just tell you guys, it is amazing. So I'm just working the gel through my hair and also making sure to smooth the ends. That way I can get rid of all the frizz. So here are my ends after working in the flaxseed gel. You guys, my hair just feels amazing. And look at that bounce and that definition. I love it. So now I'm going to move on to my right side. And for some reason, this is my problem area. I don't know what it is, but it's just always frizzy. So anyways, let me take some more of my DIY flaxseed gel and I just start to rub it in. I like to start at the ends and then work my way up to my roots. It's also very important to rub it into your scalp because you want to get all of the hair growth benefits from this. So look at my hands, there is no breakage, and that is my favorite part of this gel. It causes no additional breakage or shedding to your hair because it has a great slip, so it just glides through your hands and your hair and it just feels amazing. So here I'm just making sure that my hair is completely saturated because I just love the moisture that this product gives my hair. So I am all done, and look, there is still no breakage, no shedding on my hands. So I'm not going to refresh this section because I don't think it looks that bad. There's a little bit of frizz, but I honestly don't mind a little bit of frizz. And I'm also not going to mess with my edges because I just like for my hair to look effortless. So now I'm just going to air dry my hair and I'll check back in with you guys with my finished results. So here I am with my finished results. As you guys can see, the part that I refreshed blends in perfectly with the rest of my hair and it just looks amazing. This was day 5 before I refreshed my hair, but now I think I could probably go to day 7 or day 8 just with the refresh. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any other questions or comments about how I make my DIY flaxseed gel, please let me know in the comments down below. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give me a huge thumbs up if this video was helpful for you. I'll see you in my next video.